Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make a super quick and easy recipe. You just need 2 minutes to make this recipe, 1 minute to mix all the ingredients and 1 minute to microwave this mug cookie. Yes, you heard it right, we're gonna make this chocolate chip cookie in a mug. Into a microwave safe mug, add in 1 tablespoon of butter and mix it to make it fluffy. Now add in 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon brown sugar and mix it. Add in 1 egg yolk and mix it. This is the main advantage of this recipe, that you don't need any other bowl or equipments to make this. All you need a mug and a spatula. Now add in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mix it. Once the flour is well combined with the rest of the ingredients, add in a handful of chocolate chips and mix it. No restriction for chocolate chips, you can add in as many as you want. Now it is ready to microwave. You have to microwave it for 1 minute if your microwave power is 1200, and if the power is 900, then you have to microwave it for 1 minute 20 seconds. And there you go, our chocolate chip cookie in a mug is ready. Add a dollop of ice cream with some melted chocolate. Can you believe it? We could make a chocolate chip cookie in a mug, that too in microwave less than 1 minute. Oh, it is simply awesome. This is just perfect for your sweet cravings when you really don't want to make something complicated but really want to eat something different. So definitely try this out and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.